How you doing, everyone? Just got another world update. There's a lot going on at the moment. Starting off with the earthquakes. We've had 5 major earthquakes in the last 30 days. Starting off with this one in the Philippines. It was a 6.3. On the 3rd. And then a 6.1 in Taiwan. 7.1 South Japan Sea. 6.5 Dolinsk, Russia, and then 7.0 Kamchatsky, Russia. And that was 3 days ago, and since then the Shivelich volcano has erupted as a direct result of that. And there's also been earthquakes in Hawaii near the caldera of Kilauea. And they're talking about Iceland erupting again. And that's on watch now. So I'm expecting that'll probably go in the next week or two, going by the amount of seismic movement. There's been a lot of activity in the last week. This is all of the earthquakes that are 4.5 or above, and there's a heck of a lot. But yeah, quiet over there in Iceland again, which is why I'm expecting maybe something a little bit bigger before it actually erupts again. So there is 61 active and erupting volcanoes at the moment, which is up quite a bit from, what was it, like 53. So it's showing 80 earthquakes in the last week above 4.5. It's Hawaii. Yeah, last time I reported, before the last eruption in Iceland, there was a big one off the Marianas Trench, and this 7.1 off of the south of Japan. I'm thinking probably similar timing. And there is, so yeah, Shivelich erupted, quite a large eruption too. So at the moment, South Philippines Sea, there is Tropical Storm Shanshan that they're saying will be a Category 1 that will affect south of Japan by Wednesday, I think. Yeah. Tuesday, Wednesday, 27th, 28th. But it's early days yet. It's like 5 days away. So if that gets worse, I'll probably update something on that later. It's looking bigger than a Category 1 to me. at the moment. I'm thinking they could update it as a category 2 tomorrow. But yeah, it's early days. It could go elsewhere. The last one just grazed it and went northeast and missed like Tokyo. This one's showing it heading towards like Osaka. Yeah, Wednesday 28th. So yeah, a lot going on. So if Iceland erupts, or if this tropical storm Shanshan gets worse, I'll probably update in the next couple of days. So yeah, stay safe out there, people. Thanks for watching. Bye.